studying standard 7. Today I want to tell you about the value of time. Time is the most valuable thing in life. We know that our life is just a bundle of time. We just divide it into years, months, weeks and days. So every day is a big part of life. Therefore it's very important that how to use time for happy life and productive life. Once time passes, it never comes back. It is running continuously. It has no beginning and no end. It can neither be created nor be destroyed. Money spent can be again, but not time. Therefore, it's very important that we should always make good use of time. We should never waste time and use in some productive work. Who understands the importance of time, uses it properly, he will be successful in his life. આ પરિપ્રેક્ષણમાં હું તમને કહેવા માંગુ છું કે સમય જીવનની સૌથી મૂલ્યવાન વસ્તુ છે, તેથી તેનો સમયસર સદુપયોગ કરવો જોઈએ, કારણ કે એકવાર સમય પસાર થઈ જાય પછી પાછો આવતો નથી, તેથી આપણા જીવનમાં સમય ખૂબ મહત્વનું છે। इसी बात पे मैं आपको एक शेर सुनाना चाहता हूँ कि जीवन से बड़ा कोई विद्यालय नहीं, कठिनाइयों से बढ़कर कोई परीक्षा नहीं और समय से बड़ा कोई शिक्षक नहीं। थैंक यू।